Hi everybody, it's me, Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today, we're going to be making banana chocolate protein shakes. The ingredients that we're going to be using are ice, oat milk, chocolate peanut butter protein powder. It has no dairy, no soy, no gluten, and no weird ingredients. A banana, a strawberry for garnish, and that's all for today. The items we're going to be using are immersion blender container, immersion blender whisk attachment, immersion blender motor itself, immersion blender attachment, a cup to serve it in, and a straw. And also a scooper for the ice and a bowl, a cutting board, and a knife.